Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about triangular numbers. Have you ever noticed how numbers can form beautiful shapes? Let's try with dot structure. First of all, I will take one dot. Next, first row I will take two dots and second row one. Next, three dots in first row, two dots in second row and one dot in third row. Next, continue like this, four dots in the last row. Now second row third dots, third row two dots and last row one dots, and continue like this. Can you observe here? Here is one dot. We can count here, these are three dots. This is the beautiful triangular shape. Again we have six dots. This is also a triangular shape. Again we have nine dots. This is also the triangular shape. And in next number we have 15 dots. This is also a triangular shapes. So the triangular shapes, the numbers which makes the triangular shapes are 1, 3, 6, 9, 15. Note the continuous numbers can form the triangular shapes. The numbers like 1, 3, 6, 9, 15 and continuously next number 21 and other numbers, we can continue this sequence by noticing its pattern. Triangular numbers are special numbers that can be arranged in the shape of triangle using dots, coins and other objects. So what kind of sequence of triangular numbers we observe here? The sequence numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 and so on. So how we get the second number? By adding 2. How we will get the third number? By adding 3. How we get the fourth number? By adding 4. And we can see that in every numbers we increase the 1. In first number we add 2. In third number we add 3, fourth number 4, fifth number 5 and sixth number 6. So this is the pattern of this triangular numbers, right? One more pattern I can see here is the first number is 1, second number is 1 plus 2 is 3, third number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, fourth number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. We can see here every triangular number is the sum of the natural number. First number is the sum of one number, second number is the sum of two natural number, third number is the sum of three natural number and the fourth number is the sum of 4 natural number. Like this, the fifth number will be the sum of 5 natural number. So we can see that the triangular numbers can be formed from the general formula like this, n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the general formula of the triangular numbers. We can find every triangular number by putting n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Where n is 1, let's take 1 at the place of n. 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2, so cut the 2 and 2 gets 1. Let's take the second triangular number 2, n is equals to 2, place 2 at the place of n, 2 plus 1 by 2, cut down the 2 and 2, the result is 3. Now take third triangular number T3, 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, we will get 6. So we can see here by putting n is equals to 1, 2, 3, we can get the triangular number sequence 1, 2, 6 like this. Now the question is how I will find the 10th triangular number directly without using the sequence of the triangular number. Let's take n is equals to 10. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2 and so late we will get 55. This is the first kind of questions can be asked from this formula. Find out the 10th, 15th, 20th triangular numbers. So we can directly use this formula and find the numbers. This is the homework. Find out the 15th triangular numbers without using the sequence by using the direct formula. So what kind of another questions can be asked from these triangular numbers? Check whether 36 is a triangular number or not. Here we are using the hit and trial method to find out the 36 is the triangular number or not. Let's take n is equals to 8. n is equals to 8, then place 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 and solve 8 we will get 36. So if the answer is 36, then 36 is the triangular numbers. what we get from here? 36 is the 8th triangular number. So if I want to make a triangular form with dot structures of number 36, though we have what we have now. So 8th triangular number is 36. Directly we will use the base value of 8 dots and then make the triangular form. Then these dots will be 36. Come on the sequence. The first triangular number is 1, second is 3, third is 6, next 10, 15, 21, next is 28, next is 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8th the number is 36. How we make the triangular structure with dots? Take 8 as base dots, or directly we can form, not go with the hit and trials that how we will make the 36 dots with triangle. We can directly go with the base of 8 dots and make a triangular form of 36. Thank you.